loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as y'all can tell by today's title, this week I'm basically gonna be crocheting any crochet project that has been going viral on TikTok lately, because I'm pretty sure majority of us learned how to crochet on TikTok or got the idea to learn how to crochet from TikTok. So I feel like this is gonna be the perfect video for all my TikTok girlies, because if you don't know, my TikTok is Anaya Leanne. I started crocheting from TikTok, so I was a TikTok girly before I became a YouTube girly. But anyways, as y'all can see from TikTok lately, the girls have been eating. They have been eating with the patterns lately, like the crochet trends and stuff. They're way different from when I started crocheting. Like, you can literally find a pattern for anything nowadays. Like back in the day, I sound like old people. Back in the day, you couldn't find none of these patterns. So the girls have been eating. So this week, I'm going to pick a few projects and we're going to crochet them. I'm going to make sure I include any patterns we use, the creators, because we're going to give our credit. We give credit around here. So we're going to do the creators. We're going to do, hopefully if we can find a pattern, because majority of the TikTok girlies, they have a pattern. It's going to be a pattern. And hold on, let's do our check-in before we even get into the video. If you're a returning craft bestie, put a pink heart. And if you're a new craft bestie, put a yellow heart. And yeah, y'all, we hit 14K. I love all y'all. I love y'all. Y'all love y'all. Y'all love y'all. Let's get into the projects. Get your yarn. Get your hook. Get the project you probably ain't finished in the past 2 weeks. Get that project. Start a new project. Get your yarn. Go get some new yarn if you need some. And let's get started. Let's get into this week's challenge. So, hey girl. Okay, so it's the next day. We're about to go ahead and pick our first project for the week. Okay, so I'm gonna add like a little screen recording of each project video, like the TikTok I've seen. So for the first hat, we're gonna be doing this hat. I'm pretty sure y'all done seen this couple any and everywhere. If you know how to make a Sachi beanie, or you just ooh, I almost fell. If you on crochet TikTok, you done seen this couple. You done seen these hats. We making it. This TikTok is Kaya K Nicole. Her and her boyfriend be having these matching hats. He's so tea. Like, this is tea. This probably everybody goes. This every crochet girl's dream. Like, but anyways, this is the first project. I should have a video right here. All of the colors so we can recreate the project. Oop, they falling. Okay. So I picked out all the colors and we're gonna make the cat beanie. I've been making enough Sachi beanies, so I'm not gonna make the Sachi beanie, but I'll eventually make it and probably give it to like one of my friends or something, so we could take like a little cute picture. So I can. I don't got no boyfriend, and I ain't got no man, y'all. So y'all ain't gonna see nothing like that. But we're gonna go ahead and start crocheting this hat. So let's get into it, boo. Fresh off the hook. Tell me this is not the cutest thing ever. Like, y'all, I gotta make some TikToks in it. Like, this is just so cute. Like, I see why this hat went viral. The color she used for this hat was cute. Everything cute. I have a cat beanie tutorial on my channel if y'all wanna make a hat like this. It didn't take that long. It took about like an hour and 30 minutes, and I love it. This is a cute moment. I'm excited to start on the next project. So while we sitting here, we might as well go ahead and figure out what the next project is. So the next crochet project, I'm pretty sure y'all have all seen it. It's by my girl Diamond Alexis, aka the Antisocial Club. At the video, she had these cute crochet baseball caps, y'all. So I bought a hat already from Hobby Lobby. The hat ain't fit, so I got this one from Walmart for like $3. So we're gonna go ahead and crochet a baseball cap. We're gonna add the cute like little charms, all kind of stuff. I think I'm gonna just do one color. She did scrap yarn, but I don't feel like using scrap yarn because I don't feel like doing all that. I feel like it'll go faster if I just do one color. So I actually have a few options. I have either this big twist color, and it got like little specks of like brown or off-white in it. And then I got this color. I love this color. I feel like I low-key really want to use this color. And I also have this I love this yarn in this color. I feel like this would be tea though. I think I'm gonna use this color. I feel like that'll be cute. And I could still add like because she has safety pins and stuff on hers, so I feel like that'll be cute. I really love this hat. Oh my gosh, this probably might be one of my new favorite things. And just a heads up, majority of the projects I've been seeing that I actually like that went viral are headwear, and that's always how it works out for me. Like, I love making hats and stuff, so that's just a little heads up. We're not making no clothes, girl. We're not making no clothes, because I don't have time for that. I don't have time for that this week. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use this color. I'm gonna link, because she does have a tutorial, I'm gonna link the tutorial in the description box. I think I'm gonna start on it later today, so I'm about to give my hands a little break. So this is the first project, little recap, and let's do a check-in. Where's your hook? Where's your yarn? What are you doing? You better be crocheting. If you're not crocheting, y'all already know I'm gonna come and get you. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. I'll call y'all back later. I'll call y'all back later, because I don't even know what I'm about to do with myself, so I'm gonna call y'all back later. Okay, so hey bestie, I'm currently crocheting the hat. So this the hat, and this the base of the hat. It's working up fast. It's real easy. It's real easy. We said use a 6mm, but I bought this 6mm from Hobby Lobby, but it's plastic, so it just feel real cheap. It was $1.99, but like I didn't buy some dollar hooks and they wasn't feeling cheap like this. So I'm just using my 5.75. It's close enough to 6. Okay, hey besties, I've been wearing this hat since it got off the hook. Like, I have not been playing. It's probably my 3rd, 4th, 5th, 10th time putting this hat on. I know this hat hates to see me coming, but I finished the hat. I added on like these little safety pins. I don't know how y'all be getting y'all stuff to stay, but it just say Naya. My people, like my family, they call me Naya. And then yeah, some evil eyes. It didn't take that long to make. Okay, this is what the hat giving. It's definitely not the pattern of the hat. It's definitely me. I feel like I look like one of them suspicious grandpas. Like, but this the hat. It's cute. I don't know. And I'm also not a hat girl like this. Like, I'm not one of them. I don't know. I'm gonna remake it one of these days. But her pattern was real easy. It'll be in the description box. So foolery over with. Let's go ahead and pick the next crochet project. So I've been seeing these, we're gonna add it to the screen. I've been seeing these like little flower hair clips. It's like hibiscus flower, or I don't think this specific clip is a hibiscus flower. Boo, it's real tea. The creator, I don't know how to say it. Like, y'all know how I be talking. Like, I can't even talk right now. Mahum, she made this pattern. It's real cute. It look real easy. And I'm seeing like a side part bust down with the little clip right here. I feel like that'll be real cute, real tea. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on that. So luckily for this video, I've been having everything I needed, so I ain't have to go buy nothing or do nothing extra. Y'all know I like it real free, real from in my room. This is the makeup palette I'm gonna use. Y'all be asking how I do my highlight, what highlight I'm using. It literally, I got this from Five Below like about 4 years ago. Look, let me tell y'all. Let me show y'all. The highlight is tired. The highlight is screaming for me to throw it away. But we're gonna use this. Hopefully this don't take too long. I'm finna try to sit here and finish it in one sitting, because I played around all day. I was reading all day. I finished Allegedly by Tiffany Jackson. I'm just mind fumbled, whatever. I don't know, girl. So we about to try to hurry up and finish this little clip. Oh, and you need a hot glue gun. So I don't know why I'm telling y'all what y'all need. Like, y'all can't just go watch the tutorial. I'm just yapping. So I'm about to work on the clip, and I'm gonna call y'all in a second. All right, y'all, I'm back. Finished everything. Ain't take that long. Now, typical Anaya, don't listen. My flower is it's slightly big. I don't know if mine bigger or not, but it looked bigger than hers to me. But it got the clip on the back. Don't look too hard. But let's go ahead and add the eyeshadow. Like that. We cooking. We got grease. We cooking. I might just put this on my purse. I'm not gonna lie. I just feel like it'll be a cute purse charm. Cause I'm not really a headband girl. Not headband girl. Hair clip girl. Whole entire wide world. Like, this is my favorite purse. We go together real bad. Let's just clip it on here. Let's clip it. Like, let's clip it somewhere. Y'all. That is cute. That is so cute. That's a cute moment. I don't know. Is it cute? Is it ugly? Don't lie to me. Please don't lie to me. Let's see. Let's clip it somewhere else. That's cute. All right, girl. It is literally days later. Like, I be forgetting to record. So let's go ahead and pick the last project for this video. I got orders to do, so I gotta hurry up. So the last project is gonna be these cute scrunchies. I gotta insert on this. Her name is Jazzy Houston. I think she have a YouTube channel. Follow her socials. Y'all go follow and support everybody who pattern or, you know, idea we recreated for this challenge. So she made these cute flower scrunchies, and oh my gosh, I literally want to make that pink and orange one. Like, I literally got pink and orange right here because I'm doing an order. So we're gonna do pink and orange, and I'm pretty sure I don't think she has an actual tutorial, but I did find a tutorial on YouTube, so I'll link the tutorial on YouTube. But y'all still go support her as well. So let's go ahead and get everything together. You just need a scrunchie and your yarn, girl. Everybody, y'all should be making these projects with me. If we're not matching projects, are we really even craft besties? Like, are we really craft besties if we're not crocheting the same thing at the same time? Okay, so let's get started. Y'all, what have I been doing? Girl, I don't even have a tutorial pulled up. This is why I be messing patterns up. Like, if I ever mess up a pattern, it's never the pattern. Like, it's never the person that made the pattern. It's always me. Because I be thinking I know how to do everything. But, y'all, life has been lifing. So I be forgetting to pick the camera up. If I don't feel like it, I don't be forcing myself. So I'm about to skip this boring part and pull up the tutorial. Hopefully it don't take that long to make. I don't know about y'all, but when I first started crocheting, scrunchies was my holy grail. Like, I loved making scrunchies, and I loved making granny squares. Like, I was so obsessed with granny squares. Like, girl, I was making bags, hats, sweaters. Like, I was obsessed with a good granny square. Like, I love a granny square. Y'all, I definitely want to do a part 2 of this video because it's so fun seeing like the different, like, it got clothes and stuff and like different accessories that I want to make. So we definitely gonna do a part 2 of this video. I feel like all my videos be needing a part 2 because it just be so fun. Like, the ideas be so fun. Like, it be so fun. So I'm about to go ahead and we're gonna do like a little montage because I'm gonna watch the video thoroughly. I'm not gonna play around today because I really actually do want this scrunchie to be cute because I might give it to my little cousin. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I literally just finished the scrunchies. Where's them? Y'all, my tension was so loose, that's why mine a little bigger, but they came out so cute. I would try them on, but since I'm gonna give them away, I'm not gonna try them on. Y'all see what they look like. Y'all can absolutely go to her page and see how they will look on. But they were so fun to make and they so cute. I love flowers. Like, flowers have been so cute to me lately. Like, I already been a plant girl, but flowers, they just so feminine. They just so girly. Like, it just gives like I'm just a girl vibes. So this is everything we crocheted this week from the TikTok, the viral TikTok projects. This has been real fun. I definitely want to do a part 2 because y'all, my little save thing, I have a whole bunch of crochet stuff. Like, I literally just watch and follow people that crochet on TikTok, so I got a lot of ideas. So if y'all want to see a part 2, y'all let me know. But y'all already know this is the ending of the video, girl. This is the end. I know y'all don't want me to go. I know I'm gonna miss y'all too. I know. But I love y'all, and we go together what? Real bad. Love y'all. See y'all next week. Kisses.